Kasama natin talaga si Prof. Ronnie sa pagbalangkas ng ating e-commerce roadmap. Siguro now is also a good time to share yung what you think would be the future of e-commerce. No? So where we are now, nabanggit mo na yung contribution, employment. So what do you think of the future of e-commerce, the future that beckons us?
Kasi ang nakita natin dito, yung e-commerce na bumibili ka lang online is the thing of the past. So, parang habang dinidescribe natin siya ngayon, parang, luma na yan. Kasi nangyayari, kaya dinescribe natin, madali na. Dati kasi, e-commerce, basta e-commerce, madali.
Ang tagline, no? Ang
basta
tagline
e-commerce,
natin.
madali. So, market access, digitalization, and logistics integration. So, madali. So, madali lang yan. Kasi buy ka online. Pero ngayon, ang nakikita po natin mga trends is the exciting one. So, ang tagline na po natin ngayon ay madali na, exciting pa. So, bakit siya naging exciting? Bakit siya naging exciting? Kasi, dati, usapin siya ng binili mo offline o online. Pero ngayon, it's a total experience. So, nagme-merge ngayon yung offline and online. Tsaka yung pagbili mo ng physical goods at tsaka yung pagbili mo ng experience. So, nag-shift ngayon yon in terms of retail goods, etc. But you are actually buying experience. For example, dati excited tayo, bibili, ganyan-ganyan, mga goods. Ganyan. Pero ngayon, holiday na, saan tayo pwedeng magbakasyon? So, meron kang cellphone, booking.com, trip.com, Agoda, Klook, bibili ka ng experience, bibili ka ng tour package. Nandun na lahat, ginaganon mo. So, it's not about actually just buying online. The phone and the e-commerce just became a portal or a port to a physical experience. So, ang nangyayari ngayon, i-combine nyo yung sa sinabi ko kanina na, yung mga Pilipino, parang gusto labas na ng labas. Kasi after the pandemic, we realized na yung physical touch, yung physical warmth, yung being together with our family, with our friends, with our relatives, those are the higher value experiences. Na kung yung mga meeting, update lang, gawin mo na online. No? Pero save your time for something more valuable. And ano ngayon yung more valuable? Experience, travel, games, etc. So now e-commerce is shifting its purpose now or updating its purpose from just buying goods online to buying goods and services in the combination of it. No? So, kaya ngayon, pinabibilis. Ang tawag ni Google doon, online travel. Hindi dahil pupunta ka doon, tapos may virtual reality ka. Hindi. Bibili ka, mabilis kang bumili, so that seamless yung experience tomorrow or mamaya. Di ba? Pag book mo gano'n, mamaya, punta ka na doon. Meron ka nang nabook na resort. Tapos meron na, lahat na nakapackage na yun. So, it's a total packaging of experiences that is enabled by our mobile phones. So, ganyan na po nangyayari. So, on that experience, travel, tourism, ano pa? Yung games, so, yung games and education, we think, dito sa ating bagong roadmap, mariredefine how we will actually plan education.